Hi guys, today let us solve another numerical based on the concept of projectile motion. Well, a boy throws a ball so that it may just clear a wall 4 meters high. The boy is at a distance of 5 meters from the wall. The ball was found to hit the ground at a distance of 4 meters on the other side of the wall. Find the velocity of projection of the ball and the angle of projection. Now let us draw a simple diagram depicting the given question. Hence, a boy will throw a ball so that it clears a wall which is 4 meters high at a distance of 5 meters from the boy. Also, it is given that the ball will hit the ground at a distance of 4 meters from the ball. Let u be the velocity of projection, alpha be the angle of projection, and h max be the maximum height attained by the ball, that is the midpoint of the total range. Now, the range of the ball is nothing but the total horizontal distance that is travelled by the ball, that is 5 plus 4, that is 9 meters. Hence now the equation of the path up to the ball with O as the origin can be given by y is equal to x tan alpha minus gx square divided by 2u square cos square alpha, where x and y are the horizontal and vertical components respectively. Hence, we have y, that is the height of the wall, which is 4 meters, is equal to the x component, that is the distance of the wall from the origin O, that is 5 into tan alpha minus g into x square, that is 5 square, divided by 2u square cos square alpha. Name this equation as equation 1. Now, range R is given by the formula u square sin 2 alpha divided by g. Hence, this can be written as the range 9 is equal to u square sin 2 alpha divided by g, or 9 divided by u square is equal to sin 2 alpha divided by g. Name this equation to be equation 2. Now, substituting the value of 2 in equation 1, we have 4 minus 5 tan alpha minus sin 2 alpha divided by 9 into 5 square divided by 2 cos square alpha. Hence, this will be equal to 5 tan alpha minus 5 square divided by 18 into sin 2 alpha, which can be written as 2 sin alpha into cos alpha divided by cos square alpha. Hence, on simplifying, we'll get 5 tan alpha minus 1.139 into 2 sin alpha divided by cos alpha. Hence, this can be then written as 4 is equal to 5 tan alpha minus 2.78 sin alpha divided by cos alpha, that is nothing but tan alpha. Hence, from this we get tan alpha to be 1.8, and hence alpha will turn out to be 60.97 degrees. Hence, now substituting the value of alpha in equation 2, we have 9.8, that is the value of g, divided by u square to be equal to sin 2 into 60.97 divided by 9. Hence, upon solving this, we get the value of u square to be equal to 104.04, which implies that the velocity of projection u will be 10.2 meter per second. Hence, we have now found out the velocity of projection and the angle of projection. Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live Magus videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start a class-like community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.